So today net okay, so this morning I teach you how to use the word net. So but not really detailed or anything, but right now I'm going to give you really detailed one. So it's gonna be really easy for you to understand and you can use it every day, you know. Okay. So I I take it from the Khmer grammar book. So with the word net, you can use it with these three part of speech. The first one with verb. So verb like net plus verb. So you can say net đế, net đá. Okay, net đâm đầm nắm, netធ្វើស្រែ, netជីកដី. Okay. Let me say it again. Net đế, net plus verb. Đế is mean sleep. So đế is verb. So net đế, so people who sleep. Net đá like the pedestrian, people who walk. Net đâm đầm nam, people who grow like the fruit or vegetable and all that, you know. We call net đâm đầm nam. Netធ្វើស្រែ, people who do the rice field, you know. And with noun, so net plus noun, so អ្នកស្រែ អ្នកស្រែ it's like we call people who do the farm, we call them អ្នកស្រែ but it's not really nice to say that to people. No, not nice. អ្នកចំការ អ្នកក្រុង អ្នកក្រុង people who live in the city, who from the city. អ្នកស្រុក like from the province, you know. អ្នករបាំ people who dancing. អ្នកជំងឺ like patient, អ្នកចម្រៀង singer. អ្នកដំណើរ people who pass by. And the last one អ្នក plus adjective. Okay, so you can say អ្នកធំ អ្នក plus ធំ it's like a big, that's adjective. អ្នកធំ អ្នកក្រ so poor people. អ្នកមាន rich people and all that. Yeah, so now you know how to use អ្នក. Any question, just comment down below. I can answer you guys.